Good morning, everyone. We're from Grade 2 Mako Sharks. My name is Monica.
My name is Zach.
Today, word of the day is blizzard. Let's spell it together. B L
L
I Z A R D. Blizzard. Let's spell it one more time. B L I Z A R D. Blizzard.
A blizzard is a big snowstorm with strong winds. Here's an example sentence. We stayed inside because there was a blizzard outside. Let's say it again and repeat after me. We stayed inside. Because there was a blizzard outside. Thank you for listening.